Greetings, and welcome to my Udemy course on how to create a pirate trading game using Playmaker and Unity. I'm your instructor, Greg Moss. We've gotten started here with a Unity project. We just clicked New, and I've provided a project name. I've picked the 2D template. I've provided a location. So now I'm ready to click Create Project, and we can get started. So after our project is created, the Unity editor will come up. We'll get Unity Playmaker installed right away by clicking on Asset Store right here. And you can also get to it from here, Windows, under General Asset Store. So just click on the Asset Store. It'll take it a second to connect to it. Once it's connected, there's a little icon right here that says My Assets. You're going to want to click that to take you to your assets. Now, I'm assuming that you've already bought Playmaker. If you haven't, you'll need to do that. You're going to want to click right here, not up here, but right here, and find Playmaker. If you're like me and you have a lot of assets and you don't want to look through them all. And there you'll see that Playmaker is right here at the top now, and I can click Import to begin importing Playmaker, and it brings up the Import Unity package here. We have Playmaker, so this is going to install the scripts that Playmaker needs to install the packages. So I'm going to click Import, and in just a few seconds we get this little window that lets us install Playmaker. There's a few other things here. This is worth looking at, the getting started, links to samples and tutorials and things. But we're just going to begin by installing Playmaker. It will come up here and do a pre-update check if you wish. Since this is a brand new app, and a brand new project, we don't really need to do any kind of pre-update checks. We just need to install Playmaker. And it's also going to warn us about a backup. Again, we don't have to worry about a backup because this is a brand new project. So I just say I'm ready to go. So once we're through that step, you're going to get prompted again to install another package. So just click Import here. And once again, you get prompted for a backup that we don't need. So we just say, I made a backup, go ahead. Now naturally, if you have an existing Unity project that you have put a lot of time into, you certainly want to make a backup before you import Playmaker into it. Now the Playmaker installation is going to take a lot longer than this video. I cut out a lot of the background noise where it's just compiling scripts and things like that. So there's no real message or anything like that when Playmaker's done installing. The best thing that you can go for down here is this little tiny from the console, finished updating scripts and assemblies. This is a clue that it's pretty much done, and you'll see all of these new folders here on the left as well. So now we can close this installer, and we can close this as well. And with that, we have installed Playmaker. We should just make sure that the menu's up here at the top. If you don't have that, maybe something went wrong. But other than that, you should have Playmaker installed and ready to go. And in the next lecture, we will lay out our user interface for our game so we can start seeing all the attributes we need to collect and get ready to start making a fun pirate trading game.